God will show forth His power and His greatness. For nothingness reminds us that only Jesus is our fulfillment. Only through Christ we are truly filled with the fullness of God. And therefore, let us embrace that nothingness to make room for Christ and His teaching. It is a call for kenosis for all of us. Kenosis means emptying ourselves for the sake of Christ. Empty ourselves from all painful and vengeful baggage. Empty ourselves from our hopelessness and doubts. Empty ourselves from pride and self-centeredness. To empty ourselves is to gain Christ who is truly alive, and in gaining Christ, we may attain the resurrection from the dead. And let us continue to celebrate His greatness through nothingness. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, kahit walang-wala na tayo, huwag tayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Because in that nothingness, God truly manifests His graciousness toward